What's your most perplexing no one will ever believe this tale? I went to a park when I was about 6 with my sister and my mom. There was a really nice man who helped me up when I didn't quite stick the landing at the end of the slide. My mom noticed him and figured he was just being polite. Well, my sister ran off to my mom for a minute, so I was alone. I looked up and saw the man looking at me. He walked around the play area behind the slides and by the pond, away from the view of the parents. I was curious, so I followed. He was crouched by the pond out of sight, and I remember tidbits. But I do remember he told me I was pretty and very mature for my age. He was then in the middle of asking me if I was only here with my sister when my mom emerged, absolutely terrified and in a state of panic. I've never seen her like that to this day, and I think that's partly why it was seared into my memory. The man ran when she started yelling, "What the fuck do you think you're doing?" I started sobbing because my mom was yelling. She never yells, but it took me a few years to fully understand what happened and what could have happened. I did have the stranger danger talk, but I just thought the man was so nice. That's all I really remember from that day. I'm 99% sure my mom reported what happened to the police, but I have no idea what happened after.